Hi, thanks for watching. As you can tell from the title, this is my review of the Summit 2.5-inch aluminized exhaust system. I just bought it, put it on this Trans Am, and to be honest, it's the first exhaust system I've ever ordered online. And I was curious as to how it would work out. Little background on my car. It's a 76 with an early model nose and spoiler system. It's running a 30 over 455, 400 turbo, 323 rear end. I am not running headers, so I did have to modify some of its exhaust where it connects. I'm running old school Hypo exhaust manifolds, Super Duties, and 2.5-inch down pipes. So I did have to cut the front flanges off the mid pipes and put adapters on them where I could slide my 2.5-inch down pipe into them instead of bolting them to the end of headers. Other than that, that's the only modification I made to the entire exhaust. It's pretty straightforward. If you've got a decent mechanical ability, you can put this system on, and it comes with everything that you need, except maybe I had to go buy a few extra hangers because where my exhaust was hung on this car before, they're in different places than where the clamps clamp the system together. So I did have to buy a couple of extra clamps just so I could secure it to the existing hangers. But other than that, it comes out exactly where Summit says it will. It exits right in front of the rear bumper. And my car's a project, so kind of look over the cracked paint and the dents. But it bolted right up, no problems. I didn't have any fitment problems, and the only modification is what I said before about having to modify the front of the exhaust for regular downpipes instead of headers. But if you're looking for a really good price on a complete exhaust system, this one wins in my book. You can't go wrong with it. Aluminized 2.5-inch. It's going to flow good. Mandrel bent. You don't have any sharp bends in it. I would not hesitate to buy this system again. And I may, if I get to my other project car, which it's kind of on the back burner now, until I get this one done. So without further ado, I'll fire it up and you can hear for yourself what the system sounds like, well as the cell phone will reproduce the sound. I'm not a videographer, and you get what you get with these phones. Anyway, I'll fire it up and run it a little bit. You can hear what it sounds like for yourself.